So exercise we are doing the sum of the numbers, right? Arithmetic progression we were doing about the Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This I can also write it as Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, also both are same. Where n is the number of terms, Sn will indicate so sum of all the terms, that is sum of 20 terms or sum of 10 terms, like that. A indicates the first number, D is the common difference. Okay. So we were dealing in the third main, right? Fourth one, I think, no? Third main, fourth one. Third one or fourth one? Third one. Third main, third one, I think. Second we finished. Third main, second one. Huh? Okay. Exercise 5.3. Okay. So third main, in that third one. Second one or third? Second one. Okay. What we have, that is page number 68 here. Okay. Second one, given A is equal to 7, A 13 is equal to 35. Find D and S 13. This is the given question. Okay. What they have given? They have given S, A 13 is 35, A is 7. Okay. A 13 means what? 13th term value is 35. Correct? So I have to first find D. That means I have to use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN, that is A 13 value is what? 35. So that is equal to A is 7 plus N is 13 here, 13 minus 1 into D. So 35 minus 7 is equal to 13 minus 1, 12, 12D. You will get. So what is 35 minus 7? It is 28. So 28 is equal to 12 into D, or D is equal to 28 by 12. Okay. Divide by 2, it is 6 here. You get 14. So divide by 2 again, you will get 7 by 3. So D is equal to 7 by 3. Understood? Then Sn. What is Sn? Sn is equal to, I can use directly An here because already I know An. So it will be little bit easier to do. We'll take this only. Sn is n by 2 into A plus An. Okay, so now S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into A, it is 7. 7 plus An value, it is 35. So 13 by 2 into 42 here. So S13 is 13 into 21 units. Understood? No? Write down. Andrita, you can see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A12 is 37. D is equal to 3. Find A and S12. So here A is equal to 4. S and S12, how much you got? 2? Yes, 246. Okay. 246 you got. Okay. Now listen, the fourth one we will do here. Okay. Given A3 is equal to 15. S10, it is 125. Find D and A10. This is the question we have given. Okay. Now, Sn formula, what we have? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. You have this formula. Okay. A we don't know, right? Okay, yeah. A plus 2D is 15, correct. Two equations you will get, there you can solve, correct. Yes, A substitute that. So, A3 is 15. A3 is 15 means what? A plus 2D is 15. We have, or A is equal to 15 minus 2D. Okay. Now, S10, here S10 is 125, no? So, 125 is equal to, N will be what? 10 then. 10 by 2 into 2 into, instead of A, I can substitute 15 minus 2D. Plus, instead of N, I can, N is 10 minus 1 into D. Huh. A plus 2D is 15, no? A is 15 minus. This much you understood? Now, 2 ones are 2 fives are 125 by 5 is equal to 2 into 15, 30 minus 4D plus 90. It's 25. So, 25 is equal to 30 plus 5D. 30 plus 5D you will get. Or 5D is equal to minus 5D is equal to minus 1. Okay. How much you ready? Correct name. 5.3. Third name. Fourth one. Minus 1 only. See, again I'll explain. See here. Fourth one, listen, A3 is 15, S10 is 125, D you should find, A10 you should find. Now, A3 means what? A plus 2D is 15, correct? Now, Sn formula is what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Here, S10 is 125, that is, sum of 10 terms is 125. N and Sn I know. But here, I don't know A and D both. So what we will do, instead of A, I will put 15 minus 2D. So there will be only one unknown. So Sn is 125. That is equal to 10 by 2 into 15 minus 2D plus 10 is 9 is 10. 10 minus 1 into D. So here it cancels. It will be 5. 125 by 5 is 25. That is equal to 30 minus 4D plus 90. Or 25 is 30 plus 5D, or 30 is equal to, see, 30 if I shift to the other side, 25 minus 30. One is plus, other minus. So subtraction, put the sign of the bigger number. So minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 5D, or D is minus 1. Okay, then you should find A10. So first find the A. What is A? 15 minus 2D, no? 2 into minus 1. Or A is equal to 15 minus into minus plus 2. A is equal to 17. I know A, D, N. So I can find A10. A10 is equal to what? 9 plus A plus 9D. So A10 is equal to 17 plus 9 into minus 1. Or A10 is equal to 17 minus 9. Okay. So that is the answer. So what you will get? 8. See, whenever in the AP, there is only two equations. One is with A and other with Sn. And what and all data you know, right? What and all equation, everything you write. Here or the other way, somewhere you should try to manage it. Put the values and okay. D is equal to 5. S 9, 8. 9. Huh? 75. Find A9. Okay, we'll do the 8th one. One problem I will do. Rest in between you can do. Just huh? Why? Okay. 8th one, just see. Given 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. AN is equal to 4. D is equal to 2. Sn is equal to minus 14. Find n and a. This problem only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
An is 4, Dn is 2, Sn is minus 4. Find n and a. Okay. Now listen here. Sn is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we know an value, d value. Okay. So I can use here, or Sn is equal to an directly I can use. One minute. An is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So 4 is equal to here a plus n minus 1 into 2. This is one what we get.
So 4 minus
Okay.
n minus 1.
So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an also I can write. Correct? This is a formula we have, right?
Yes.
That we will put 1 minute. Sn is minus 14. That is equal to n by 2 into a plus 4. Okay. Instead of a, I can write in terms of n here.
So that's why I is 2 a equals to 4 and by n minus 1.
What is it? 2n minus 2, no?
Yeah. By plus 2.
A is equal to 2n minus, no, 6 minus 2n. Correct, no? 4a, 2n minus 2, a plus 2n minus 2. So a is equal to 6 minus 2n. So I'll substitute here. Minus 14 into 2 is minus 28. That is equal to n into 6 minus 2n plus 4. Okay. So minus 28 is equal to n into 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 2n. I think here you will get minus 28 is equal to 10n minus 2n square. Shift this to the other side. 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. Divide by 2. N square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. So what you will get? Minus 14n square. 7 and 2. Here it's minus, no? So 1 minus plus. So you will get n minus 7n plus 2n plus 14 is equal to 0. So n is equal to how much you will get here?
7 and 6. So you get 7, right?
And if I take 1 minus so n minus 7 here plus 2 minus 2. So n is equal to 7 you will get, I think. N is equal to 7.
Yes, ma'am.
A is equal to 8. An is 62. Sn 210. So find n and d. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.